Today's recipe is from HelloFresh, one pot turkey and white bean chili verde. So again, today's recipe is from HelloFresh. We're making one pot turkey and white bean chili verde. I'm taking all the ingredients that will be needed for this recipe out of the bag that it comes with when you get HelloFresh. And I'm just going to follow the steps on the HelloFresh recipe card. So it's not much explaining to do for this one because I'm just following what is already presented to me by HelloFresh. Here is the part of the video that I kind of find very funny. I started to add my own seasonings for the chili, but it actually came with a seasoning packet this time. Usually they tell you just to use salt and pepper, but this time it came with its own seasoning. Right here is when I realized, and I end up using not only my own seasoning, but the seasoning that came with the HelloFresh box. So just be sure to remember all the ingredients that you do have. It still came out very good because I did add my own seasonings.
Get with the liquid. Get with the liquid. Lick like lick liquid.